GPT-4o for data analysis. In this video, we'll explore how GPT-4o can analyze data from a spreadsheet, focusing on a made-up company's sales data. Let's dive into the powerful capabilities of GPT-4o. Hi, I'm Mark, and today I'll show you how GPT-4o can analyze data directly from documents. We'll import a spreadsheet from our fictional company and demonstrate how to interact with the data using natural language queries. First, we'll upload our spreadsheet. This file contains sales data for our made-up company, including various metrics like costs, revenue, and product sales across different years. Let's go ahead and import this file. Once the spreadsheet is uploaded, GPT-4o allows us to question the data conversationally. This means you can simply ask questions as you would in a normal conversation, and GPT-4o will provide the answers. Here we see the data displayed on the screen. Notice the expansion arrows in the top right corner. By clicking these arrows, a sidebar opens, giving us the ability to question specific columns, cells, or entire sheets of data. Let's start by asking GPT-4o to give us the total costs over all the years. As you can see, the model processes the data and quickly provides an accurate summary of the total costs. Next, I'll ask GPT-4o to produce a pie chart of the sales over the years. With just a simple request, GPT-4o generates a visually appealing pie chart that clearly represents the sales distribution over time. One of the great features of GPT-4o is the ability to toggle between columns and data effortlessly. You can choose different data points and the graphs will automatically update to reflect the new information. Here we see the updated graph as we select different columns. This dynamic interaction makes it easy to explore various aspects of your data without needing advanced technical skills. Additionally, these charts and data can be downloaded and saved for further analysis or presentation. GPT-4o ensures that your data insights are always at your fingertips, ready to be shared or reviewed later. In summary, today we've demonstrated how GPT-4o can analyze data from a spreadsheet in a simple and intuitive way, from querying specific data points to generating visual representations. GPT-4o makes data analysis accessible to everyone. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to try out GPT-4o for your own data analysis needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.